Hello, we are Aurora Software, your complete transportation management system solution. Now, before we dive in, please do me a favor and hit subscribe as well as that like button, and maybe leave a comment. Leave me a comment with some content suggestions. I'd love to hear them. So you've been requested to trade EDI transaction sets with your customers, and you want to know more. Well, let's start with, what is EDI? EDI, Electronic Data Interchange, is the computer-to-computer exchange of business documents in a standard electronic format between business partners. All right, let's break that down a bit and start with some of the more common transaction sets. And let's start with the 204. The 204, it's a bill of lading. So when you start receiving 204s from your customers, and let's say, for example, you're using our Nova TMS software, a complete shipment, order, delivery order is automatically created and ready to be handled by your team. After you receive this 204, your customer would typically require an acknowledgement that you either received it, accepted it, or even rejected the load. This brings us to the next transaction set, the 990, also known as the acknowledgement. The 990, the acknowledgement, again is a transaction set that typically follows a 204. Your customer wants to know, hey, are you taking the load or not? And they usually want to know that within a pretty short time window. When you either accept or reject the load, a 990 is immediately sent out notifying them. Okay, so let's say you've accepted this load, and the next logical set would be the 214. The 214, otherwise known as a shipment status. As a shipment makes its way through operations, 214s are sent electronically to your customer. For example, they may want a 214 when freight's been picked up, when it's in transit, or even when it's delivered. Whichever status info they want, dates, times, signatures, whatever, they'll receive via 214. Again, if you're using our Nova TMS software, as freight moves, these 214s are automatically sent out immediately. Now, when everything is complete, you'll need to invoice your customer, and you do this by sending out 210s, otherwise known as the freight bill. So the 210 freight bill, instead of emailing over your invoices or sending them out via standard mail, your customer may require a 210 transaction, which are run quickly and easily through a 210 EDI cycle run within our software. There are plenty of other EDI transaction sets, like FSUs, STMs, and the list goes on. So if you want to know more, give us a call at 610-275-2727 or visit us online at aurorasoftware.com, all of which can be found in the description of this very video. Again, help me out, subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you again for taking the time. Have yourself a safe, happy, and healthy day.